Do you know where I'm at today? I'm at Somerset. They have outdoor patio furniture. They have fire pits. I love fire pits. They have lots of umbrellas. Can you believe that? Square, round, whatever you're looking for. They have cool round ones. They have circular ones with glass. And the crushed glass inside. Love that. Square ones with a tile on top. This one caught my eye. It's more modern, has tile inside. It's got glass on top. I've never seen that before. Never thought about it. I did. Did you? Take a look at all the stuff, all the barbecues, everything. I've got a client that I'm looking at today and talking to on Wednesday, and let me show you what I want to do. I want to put that in his backyard. It's got the fireman element down below with the fireplace. It's got the TV on top. It's already built with the tile. It just needs to be repainted. Anyway, Dave Pratt, I'm at Somerset. Check out the Vita. That is totally cool. Dave Pratt, I'm out.